We're here in Yangon, Myanmar, visiting our friends Bree and Brady, and they've been taking us out to amazing dishes all over the city. They have lived here for 1 year, and we've been learning all about things like chickpea tofu, ginger salad, sago pudding. So we're taking a cooking class today, and we're gonna learn all about what goes into these dishes, the ingredients, the recipes, and this is called traditional Shan cooking.
So Myanmar is made up of 14 states or like provinces, and one of those is the Shan state, which is in the northeastern part of Myanmar, and the Shan state is bordered by China, Laos, and Thailand.
Welcome to Three Good Spoons. We're a cooking school and we advocate decent work for domestic workers by coming and learning about Myanmar food. You're also supporting our program which provides free and subsidised training for Myanmar women. Sanda is one of our newer members of our team. She's of Shan ethnicity, so today is the perfect person to learn Shan cooking from. She has limited English but a fantastic smile, as you can see. So she's going to take you through the class today, and Bridget's going to provide some interpreting.
The Shan state is very well known for their incredible salads that they serve, but it's the combination of flavors that make them unique to Myanmar. One of the salads that we made was called a French bean or snake bean salad. And it's just a base of French beans, but then you add fried shallots and fried garlic and roasted chickpea powder, peanuts, sesame oil, and it all comes together to make this just beautiful salad with a signature Shan style flavor. Similar to the French green salad, we made a fresh mustard green salad, and this also had these shallots, garlic, and chickpea powder, which gives it another signature flavor for their salads. We also added some tomato juice and tomatoes into this, and this is another salad I can't wait to make when we get home. Our favorite salad is the ginger salad, also known as jin tok. And it's made of pickled ginger, and you're tossing that with lentils that have been soaked, and then those signature peanuts and fried shallots and fried garlic. But we also added in cabbage, and we served it with sliced tomato and sesame seeds, and all of those flavors came together so beautifully. And this is another dish we'll be making for sure for our friends and family when we get back home. Another dish that we were really excited to make because we had seen it around Myanmar at the street stalls is called tofu nue, which is warm chickpea tofu. Rather than having soybean tofu, Myanmar you'll typically find tofu made out of chickpea powder. And what you do is you take chickpea powder with a few other ingredients and you stir it and heat it until it starts to thicken up. And then you're gonna pour that into a pan until it cools down, and that's gonna harden up a bit. It's not gonna become as hard as regular tofu, but it does harden up quite a bit. And then you can slice it up and add it into salads, or you can just have it on its own and throw fried shallots over it and garlic and green onions like we did. For dessert, we made a really simple sago pudding. Sago are pearls that are similar to tapioca, and they come dried in a package, and basically you put them into boiling water and they get a tapioca-like consistency, and you boil that down and stir it in with some sugar and then pour it into a pan until it softens and cools, and then you cut that into slices and put it with coconut milk that you've also reduced down into a coconut cream. Really fresh and light and so simple to make. All these dishes they were able to veganize for us, and that was just leaving out any of the dried shrimp or fish sauce, and in its place we just used salt or soy sauce. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining us. We really hope that you learned more about Burmese food, the food in Myanmar, especially in the Shan state, and a huge thank you to Bree and Brady for showing us around their home city now and teaching us all about the delicious foods in the area. Bye!